In the frozen Arctic tundra, one of Alaska's newest oil fields. In 2013, the Bureau of Land Management set aside 12 million acres of land for development.
No one's really around the world investing too much at the oil price where it is now. Eventually, though, the demand will outtake the supply again. The oil price will eventually go up.
After a lengthy permitting process and years of planning, ConocoPhillips is the first company to draw crude oil from the National Petroleum Reserve, Alaska, an area President Warren G. Harding designated in 1923 as an emergency oil supply for the U.S. Navy. At peak production, the field is expected to produce 16,000 barrels a day. Colville Delta Field is the first to open on the reserve, with at least one more planned. The Alaska Native village of New Wixit owns the land where the surface drilling is taking place. Villagers backed the project after the company met their environmental stipulations, which included securing access to subsistence fishing waters.
It also brings benefits of employment, training, opportunities for my shareholders and the residents of New Wixit and Alaska Native, Alaskan residents alike.
Unlike the controversy over drilling in the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge, development in the Petroleum Reserve hasn't drawn the usual protests. But environmental groups say they're keeping an eye on what happens in the future.
What we've mostly been concerned about is how the development is going to proceed. Is it going to involve roads or roadless development? And if so, how much is the sprawl going to spread westward?
The Colville Delta oil field includes a 6-mile gravel road, 4 bridges, 32 miles of pipeline, and other infrastructure, showing a growing oil industry footprint in Alaska's Arctic. Ned Barker, The Associated Press.